안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you like a japchae? Today I will introduce a vegan japchae that delivers rich flavor without any meat. With some vegetables and glass noodles, anyone can easily make this dish. Let's get started. Making noodle sauce. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Preparing shiitake mushrooms. These are dried Korean shiitake mushrooms. Rinse the dried shiitake mushrooms in cold water 2 times, then soak in cold water for about 2 hours. Dried shiitake mushrooms soaked in cold water taste better than those soaked in warm water. After soaking, squeeze out excess water from the mushrooms. Don't throw away this water. You can use it as a broth for soybean paste stew or other soups, enhancing the flavor. Slice the soaked mushrooms thinly. If you don't have dried shiitake mushrooms, you can use fresh ones. Personally, I think that dried shiitake gives a better flavor and aroma for japchae. How to season the mushrooms. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chopped green onions, a bit of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix well. This seasoning ensures the mushrooms are flavorful when added to japchae. Set them aside to pan fry later. Preparing wood ear mushrooms. These are dried wood ear mushrooms commonly used in japchae. After soaking in warm water for about 30 minutes, they expand in size. Squeeze out excess water and tear them into pieces. You can also cut them with a knife if it's easier. Season the wood ear mushrooms. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a bit of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chopped green onions, about half teaspoon of minced garlic, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix well. Set aside to pan fry later. Preparing spinach. The spinach has been washed. Cut it in half. Today's spinach is tender, so instead of blanching, pour boiling water. Then quickly rinse in cold water. Squeeze out the excess water. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Mix well. Food tastes better when made with care and love. Vegetable preparation. Slice a small onion into appropriate sizes. If using a large onion, use just half. Slice half of the yellow bell pepper thinly. Slice half of the red bell pepper thinly. Cut the carrot into silver sizes and slice thinly again. Stir fry. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Put the sliced onion, bell peppers, and carrots. Stir fry them on high heat. Once they are slightly cooked, add a pinch of salt. Once the onions become translucent, place the cooked mushrooms on a plate and let them cool. Add the seasoned shiitake mushrooms and wood ear mushrooms. Stir fry it on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Place the cooked mushrooms on a plate and let them cool. These are glass noodles that have been soaked in warm water for about an hour. If they are long, cut them in half. Add the prepared soy sauce mixture and stir fry. If you cook the noodles this way, they won't go soggy even the next day. Continue stir frying until the sauce is fully absorbed. Place the noodles in a bowl. Add all the cooked ingredients, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix well. Doesn't it look so delicious? Serve in a bowl and enjoy. Which version of the japchae do you like? The one with meat or the one with just vegetables? Please let me know in the comments below. If you think today's video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.